Today, the most technological Panda ever is available for ordering with a new lineup. Major developments have been carried out in terms of safety and technology, as the new Fiat Panda now features new ADAS, a new digital cluster, and a new steering wheel. Available with the 1.0 hybrid engine 70 horsepower, the new Panda comes in two different trims: entry version Panda, perfect to suit the needs of all customers, and top of the range Pandina, based on crossbody, with a stronger characterization.